having everyone do is you're only allowed to touch the bike with one hand at all times and walk an entire lap around the bike with it balancing. So one hand is allowed to touch the bike only at all times, and you got to make one full rotation walking all the way around the bike. Leave the side stands down. So watch, Jeremy's about to go with his BMW. So one hand is allowed to touch it at all times, only one hand. It just gets you comfortable with the bike. It makes you realize that the bike is straight up and down, it's weightless. So it gets you comfortable with your own motorcycle. You got to be able to maneuver and handle your own bike. I had everybody push the bikes forward, we just pushed it back, and now we're making one lap around the bike. One hand only is allowed to touch the bike. I told these guys to partner up just in case the bike wants to fall, someone is there to help them. But I just did it one lap around, and I didn't even put the side stand up. It's just, I put it up the whole time, took one lap. It's good practice. Go. All right, guys, so just what I had everybody do. It's a fun drill to gain confidence with your bike. Stand the bike up, leave the kickstand down just for safety. If you feel like it wants to tip, you can kind of let it fall to the kickstand side. If you stand the bike up, it's in first gear. One hand is allowed on the bike only at all times, and walk an entire lap around it. Because you realize that the bike is upright, it's weightless. Two fingers. There you go. Set up the practice.